Another thing that I did was I made my Bear Act very comprehensive. Time limits, पनिशमेंट्स या फिर कोई अथॉरिटीज़ होती थी वो मैं बेयर एक्ट की इंडेक्स में ही लिख लिया करती थी, ताकि एंड में मुझे पूरा बेयर एक्ट पढ़ने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े और सिर्फ इंडेक्स पढ़ करके ही मैं पूरे बेयर एक्ट का रिविजन कर सकूं. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट माई रूटीन, since I started my preparation from my 4th semester itself, so the journey was long, but I never focused on number of hours. Instead, I make weekly schedule of targets and try to complete them. Normally, I'm a night owl and used to sleep around 4 or 4:30 a.m. But mains had morning timings, so I started waking up at 4 a.m. so that my body could adjust. That's why I believe that it depends on the student when he or she feels more productive or comfortable. Apart from studies, I also spent time with my family as well as read, as I love reading books, so I read books also during free time. But once the notification came, I totally focused on the exam. I believe the most important thing in this journey are consistent hard work, believe in yourself and faith in God. Also, keep doing good deeds because ultimately your karma builds your luck. I also truly believe कि सेल्फ स्टडी से भी एग्ज़ाम क्लियर किया जा सकता है. It is not necessary to pay high coaching fees if you cannot afford it. However, in that case, you must work harder, stay more disciplined and consistent. Also, keep manifesting the day when your dreams will come true, because that vision will push you forward even on the hardest days. If I can do it, anybody with hard work and honesty can. Finally, I would like to say that even after you clear the exam, never forget what you went through to reach here. Stay grounded, humble, and always grateful to your parents, because it's not only your hard work, but it's also their blessings, sacrifices and prayers. अंत में मैं बस यही कहूँगी कि अगर तुम्हारे हिस्से संघर्ष है तो तुम्हारे हिस्से जीत भी होगी. हर जीत आसान नहीं होती, कई जीत बहुत दूर होती है, पर बस एक नियम है, चलते रहना, क्योंकि चलते रहने से जीत ज़रूर होती है. थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक.